back with another video. And today, if you heard the title, you already know what it is. Here it is, my first car. It's a 2001 Chevy Impala. As you can see right there, Chevy logo. Now I know it does have some bumps and dings and scratches, but it's my first, it's a starter car for me. So it really don't matter. I mean, look at this baby. I mean, it's got tint on the windows, but I'm not going to keep those. We got the back, we get the Fendi, we got the trunk. Now, this is the weirdest way to open it, but okay, so be warned, it's messy. I haven't got a chance to clean this, but like, look, just look at the space. Look how much space there is here. I mean, that's all you were. Just pretend this is all empty. Look at all this space. I even got an extra radio up in here. Got an extra radio up in here. Yep, shut. Now there are some downsides, like that. But otherwise, it's pretty good. I'm not going to show the hood because it doesn't have the thing to keep standing up. But now I'm letting everybody want to know. See the inside. Let's start with the back. Now the back. There. Oh, whoops. Sorry, guys. There's the back. We got that bar for the hood, but nice back seats. Leather. That's the only problem. Now, let's get in the driver. Yes, don't criticize me about that. I just got yesterday. I'm going to try to get seat covers for these. Oh, by the way, I got a sunroof. That's the thing to keep it in. Oh, hi, little bug. Get the hell away from my car. Oh, but get the heck away from my car. Alright, grab that key. Well, man. Sorry, guys. I'm just like... There we go. Now watch this. Sunroof. And then just slides right back on in. Boom. Now it's hidden. Boom. We got the back half. We got the front half. I'm probably going to take this off because this burns my freaking hands. It's a black color. Everything's going to burn. Leather seats. This burnt me. Yeah, don't mind all this crap that's in here. This is just how we got it. They were attempting to clean it out. But other than that, really... Oh, look, now it decides to work.
List of survivors and arrangements will be announced later by Greenhill Funeral Home.
I also got
Jory Paul Holback, 31
some
of
buttons.
Elkton, died
Just
Sunday.
this doesn't work.
He was a veteran of the U.S. Army. He survived
I got
by
Seek. Then I got Super Talk.
The people of Alabama, 400 million want for do the math. Special discount.
I got a bunch of stations. Nice, I have to get it to go. Oh wait, no.
Check eligibility.
by three sons, Wayne Hammerkeaton of Lawrenceburg.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it honest. Hey, guys, thanks for watching.
Tammy Hampton, and
Y'all
Christina
too
Hollis, all
sweet.
of Lawrenceburg.
See ya. Bye.